Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is My Panda Peter and I'm excited to share my thoughts, ideas and experience with you. On this channel you'll find a variety of content covering tech, tutorials and how to make money. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay up to date with my latest videos. Today we are going to be talking about how to make money with ChatGPT. As you all know, ChatGPT is a part of a new generation of AI systems that can converse, generate readable text on demand, and even produce novel image and video based on what they've learned from a vast database of digital books, online writing, and other media. As you all know, you can create content with your ChatGPT like blog content, you can create Facebook content. You can create a lot of things with ChatGPT, but guys, how can we make money with ChatGPT specifically? This is the ChatGPT website. Let's log in. Let's try to know how to make money to ChatGPT. Let's ask ChatGPT. I just write how to make money with ChatGPT and it's giving me several ways that I can make money with this artificial intelligence. As you see, there are several ways you can make money using ChatGPT. You can build and sell chatbots that use ChatGPT as their underlying language. You see, one, you can use ChatGPT to generate content for websites or social media, like content or social media, like that's blog post. How do you see making a blog post with ChatGPT is not that hard? You can also use it to create and sell digital products such as ebooks. Can you just imagine creating an ebook with ChatGPT? It's going to be fluent. How to make money with ChatGPT based on me, how I'm going to show you guys is that, you know, there are a lot of people looking for content creators online. You see Fiverr. First of all, when you go to fiverr.com, Fiverr is a freelance website whereby many people are looking for who to write for them their content. Let me show you how much these people are making just by writing content. As you can see, this person over here makes $30 per hour just by writing website content. This person also makes $40 just by writing website content. Just imagine you signing on Fiverr right now and you are rendering service to people who needed it. Imagine this person is writing for $30 and you just let's say you make yours writing it for $20. You see, you can make lot and lot of money with ChatGPT. But first of all, let me show you how to make let me show you how to do this. Like, you want to write a blog post about history of football. So guys, write 500 words of content on the history of football. Let's see what ChatGPT is going to give us over here. I just wrote a 500 words of article about the history of football. Just imagine, ChatGPT have done anything I need to do. If to say I'm to do this, I'm going to spend like not less than 12 hours to 24 hours doing this. But ChatGPT has done this for me in less than a minute. Lots of people are making money with writing content. This guy over here writes 500 words for $15. This one, 700 words article of your choice for $15. So guys, just imagine you coming over here to create an account and render services to other people. Let's say you also write content for $10, $15, $20. Can you see how you are going to make money with ChatGPT? All you have to do is go to chatgpt.openai.com. ChatGPT is going to write any type of content for you, but what you have to do is sign up and start using it. ChatGPT is totally free, guys. You can make lots of money. Can you imagine how many people over here are writing content for $60? Imagine $10. You can do as low as that. And you know, there are a lot of people over here on Fiverr. Also there is this people per hour. Here you can also make money. Just be a freelancer and write content with ChatGPT. With this you can make lots of money. I mean lots of money. Apart from this, there are also a lot of ways you can make money with ChatGPT, but I'm going to unveil it on my next video. But guys, as of now, this is the way you can make lots of money with ChatGPT. It's just total freelance. Just be a freelance by creating articles for other people. With this, I assure you, you can make nothing less than $700 per month. Guys, I'm serious with this. Like, guys, oh my god. So without much wasting time, guys, I am done with this video. All you have to do now is sign up on fiverr.com. Start writing article for other people. Like, start writing article for other people. This is very profitable, guys. With OpenAI, you can write any word, up to 10,000 words of content. It's totally free, guys. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Stay up to date with my latest videos. Thank you, guys. Goodbye.